From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering Expensify. What is Expensify? It's a expense management platform just like all the rest, but it's kind of based for niche-based finance, CPA, although you don't have to be a CPA to get approved. In fact, several of our viewers watched the video that I did about Expensify a couple months ago and were able to get anywhere from $20,000, $30,000, even had somebody get $58,000 credit line with Expensify. I was only able to get a $30,000 limit. It is a net 30, so you actually have the choice between net 1 day and net 30. Why you do net 1 day, I don't know, but basically if you get signed up and approved, then under the settings tab, you can put down net 1 day or the net 30. Say your monthly date is the 20th every month, they will draw the charges for that whole month basically on the 20th. So on the 21st to the 19th, whatever your charges are, then on that coming 20th is when they're going to pull whatever charges you charged in that past 30 days basically. As it says here, receipt scanning, expense tracking, reimbursements, one app, all free. Just a heads up, it is quite confusing, but they have 24-hour support that will kind of walk you through. Their chat support will walk you through everything. You will need to have an actual domain business email address like your company, abccompany.com, and you'll need to confirm ownership of that domain, but they'll kind of walk you through how to do that. It's very strange because no other expense management platform makes you do this, but this is how they are able to verify that you are the owner of the company, because you have to verify that you own that domain. And they do it by basically a technique on, if you're with GoDaddy or Namecheap, where you have to add a tag into your domain for it to basically verify. But again, they'll walk you all through that. So it says highlights here: tracking expense, submit expense reports, pay bills, generate invoices, collect payments, track mileage, plan trips, and get the best corporate credit card with the Expensify app. So again, it's the expense management platform, just like all the other ones. It's just a different one. The Expensify card with the best business credit card, you'll experience even faster expense reporting and making corporate card reconciliation and expenses a breeze, and it's free. You can also earn up to 4% cash back on all your Expensify card purchases, all right? So there's bill pay, send your vendor bills to Expensify for automated tracking, approval, and payment. Invoices, create and send invoices while collecting payments and syncing automatic to your accounting package. Travel, book flights, hotels, and cars simply by chatting with their concierge. So their concierge will help you book any type of traveling, airfare, hotel booking, anything like that. Personal payments, split bills, request payments, chat with friends, and give it a go at Expensify. Again, this is not going to be really super easy, user friendly. It's not. I have technical background and I still had some issues getting it all set up and everything. But they do have support that's 24/7, chat support that will walk you through anything that you need help with. Okay, so you're basically it's gonna be like this page here. And how would you like to connect? You're gonna put in your email or phone number. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you do that, don't do this request a setup call. I wouldn't really do that starting off. I'm not going to log into mine. I already did this on the past video you guys can check out about Expensify. But you're just going to basically put in your email address and get started. Then it's going to walk you through where you're going to add your business bank account and all your business information. Go through all those steps, and then after you verify everything, then you're going to add in a request for the Expensify card. This pretty much solely is based on everything that's in your business bank account. I've had people sign up that have $4,000 or $5,000 in their business bank account, and they're getting $15,000, $20,000 credit limit. I don't know if they've changed things or anything since then, but quite a few from the last video seem like they're getting $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 approvals. Credit lines, like I said, somebody even got a $58,000 credit approval. Okay. Just go through the steps. That's the only thing I can tell you. You can watch my past video where I kind of broke down those steps. Again, it is a little bit confusing, but it is worth it considering they give you high limits. As far as them reporting to any business credit bureau, I don't know if they do or not. And their support really doesn't talk much about that. And they don't seem like they even know much about, if it's reporting to business credit bureaus. I assume it does not, but again, this is a credit line will help you leverage your business expenses. Just check out the link in the description below. Keep in mind, Expensify has been around, I think, since like 2008 or 2012, somewhere around that time frame. They are, if not the first, or one of the very first expense management platforms. This is before Divvy or any of them. It's like one of the first fintechs. However, they used to charge fees and never gave a credit line. This was only maybe 6 months ago is when they started offering the credit line, because they had to start being competitive with like Divvy and Corpay and ClearCard and all the other expense management platforms. So I would definitely give this one a try to see if you can get approved. The link will be in the description below. They seem like they're favor those that are in the finance or CPA, that's a CPA or so, but any businesses can get approved for this. I've had some clients of mine that are in the real estate business, e-commerce business, trucking business, all of them get approved. So just go through the steps. And just to make it easier for you guys, I will have the link to the past Expensify video that I did, that I would just tell you guys to definitely watch that one, because I kind of break down my login so you guys can kind of see the steps that you have to do. But go ahead and try to apply for it, because it is a high limit credit line card. Like I said, this one for mine, it's $30,000. It's just they don't have the easiest user interface dashboard. It can be a little bit confusing. I would definitely recommend signing up on a desktop or a laptop, not your phone, because like I said, there's several steps you have to go through. You should be able to hear back and get approved less than 3 days, because it is pretty much all automated, and they will deposit 2 small amounts in your business bank account. It could be like 4 cents and 8 cents to verify your bank account, and you'll have to also do the Plaid connection. All right. With all that being said, that's all. You guys take care. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the video get out to a wider audience and make the channel grow. All right. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.